Hello guys, in this tutorial we'll discuss how to create your own custom shortcode in WordPress. Okay, so let's do that. So this is our WordPress about us page, and we are going to test to create our custom shortcode that we are going to build on this WordPress website. So how we can do that? In that case, whenever you would like to create your own custom short code, you need to do some custom code in your custom function.php file. Okay, so you can connect through FileZilla, or you can directly edit the file from your cPanel area. So as of now I am going to edit my file through a FileZilla. Okay, so I already connected my server. Here you can see, and let's after that you need to enter your child, the theme name. So my theme name is a WordPress dev child. So after that, once you get in your theme folder, okay, you need to open up your function.php file. So I'm just opening my function.php file. Here you can see. Okay, now you can see my function.php file has been opened, right? So now we are going to add our custom short code. Okay, so this is something. Here you can see my custom short code is something like this is the function name. Okay, function wbb demo short code, and we are going to display a message like something hello world. Okay, and it's in the variable in message, and then we can output for return. Okay, and then the add shortcode function something like this. So the shortcode is greetings, right? So this is our shortcode. So now we are going to see that hello world text is coming up or not using this shortcode. So this is the syntax. You can see I will share this code in the description. Okay, so just save this first and copy. Let's copy and save. Then wherever you would like to add your shortcode, just go to the file. Suppose I would like to add shortcode in the about us page in this section, right? So go to your about us.template file. So this is my template folders. You can see all the templates available. So I'm just going to open about.php file. Okay, so you can see this is about us.php, and here is this is the banner area, and after that we will add in the container section, we will add the shortcode for testing. So what is our shortcode name? Our shortcode name is greeting. Okay, so let's remove this first, and then add your shortcode function something like this: php echo do shortcode. So this is the syntax, and then double bracket, then single inverted comma. After that, now you can see this is the syntax we need to use always: echo do shortcode, and then double bracket. In the double bracket, you can see this is our shortcode. Okay, so I have done. Now I'm going to save this file and upload it to the server. You can see it's getting uploaded now. Uploaded, done. Go to your WordPress about page, and then reload this page. And once you reload, you can see your text is being appeared in the about us page. So this is something we can easily create a short code. Okay, in our next tutorial we will show you how we can manage your custom post using your custom short code without having any plugin. Okay, we will get it done. Thanks.